Hi, I'm James Martzel, Sales Application Manager for HyperSpike products. I'm Sales Application Manager for HyperSpike products. I'm here today to talk to you about our UL-listed omnidirectional speaker. This is a very powerful speaker that can be used for indoor manufacturing facilities to give you crystal clear audio coverage throughout. Ideal applications include auto plants, bottling plants, and any manufacturing facility that's over 20,000 square foot. The speaker can give you 360-degree audio coverage, has 3 selectable tap settings of 50 watts, 100 watts, and 200 watts. Typically, the speaker is tapped at either 50 watts or 100 watts. It has simple mounting hardware as well as secondary fixation. When you receive the UL Omni demo kit, it will come in a hardened transit case, which is ideal for transportation or if you need to ship the speaker around. In the case, you will have the UL Omni speaker, crown amplifier, speaker cable to go from the Omni to the amplifier, line-in cable, needed tools, power cable extension, chain to hang the speaker, iPod charger, and junior stud and mounting plate to go on a tripod. Before you begin the demonstration, you'll want to take off the plate to ensure that the speaker is on the corresponding tap setting. As a reminder, the speaker has a 50 watt, 100 watt, and 200 watt tap. So you want to ensure that it'll be on the corresponding tap for your demonstration. Typically, the speaker will be tapped at 50 or 100 watts. After you remove the plate, you'll want to see where the red wire is plugged into. As you can see on this particular unit, it is going into the 100 watt tap setting. If you would like to move it over to the 50 watt tap setting, you'll simply just have to unscrew the cording thing, pull the cable out, and move it over and tighten it back down. Before starting your demonstration, make sure that the plate is securely fastened back onto the speaker. Now that the UL Omni speaker is on the associated tap setting, before you power up the amplifier, please make sure that the knobs are all the way to the left and powered at minimum volume level. On the back of the amplifier, we'll need to plug in our speaker cable and line-in cable. When you're ready to take the speaker cable, you'll want to associate both the channel 1 and channel 1 for the line out and the line in. For the speaker cable, you'll take the end with the blue knob, find the channel 1, match up, and then do a slight quarter turn twist, and you'll hear it make a slight clicking noise. That means it's fully secured. Next, you will take the line-in cable, find channel 1, and push it in accordingly, and you should hear a click as well. You now have the speaker out and the line-in connected. Next, you'll simply hook up the power to the amplifier and plug it in. Before powering up the amplifier, please check again that both knobs are all the way to the left. Then take the other end and plug into the speaker. Then on the front, push the button to power up the amplifier. This typically will take anywhere from 3 to 7 seconds. Once it's powered up, it will say the corresponding product for this amplifier. It should say UL Omni. If the amplifier does not see that, please power down the speaker and call HyperSpike at this number. Now that everything is connected and powered up, it is now safe to turn the volume level knob all the way to the right on the crown amplifier. What you'll want to do is take the left knob and put it all the way up. Before you begin the demonstration, ensure that your iPod or smartphone device volume level is set very, very low. Again, you'll want to slowly increase the volume level on your iPod. Simply take it, plug it in. Find your corresponding audio track. Again, slowly increase the volume level during your demonstration. You want to ensure that the Omni is about 20 to 30 feet in the air. With the associated chain, you can loop it through the top and then hang it from such things as a forklift or a scissor lift or a post that's available. Simply take the chain and loop it through. Wrap it around as needed, and then you're ready. If you choose to use a tripod during your demonstration to put the speaker in a scissor lift, first you'll want to grab the junior stud and the mounting plate. Take the plate with the recessed side up with the junior stud on bot, then take your needed hardware and screw it into the junior stud. Once that's complete, you will then take your junior stud and plate and match up the holes accordingly to the bottom of the speaker. You're then ready to take the speaker and put it into a tripod. Also remember, you might want some secondary fixation to hold the speaker to the tripod when you're putting in a scissor lift to make sure it does not tip over. If you have any questions prior to your demonstration or during your demonstration, please contact HyperSpike at the number below.